How many of us think that our rice doesn't have to always be white? I mean, plain rice doesn't have to be white if it's not going to be jollof or fried rice. But we can actually enjoy our rice just like it's supposed to be. Now, watch this video to the very end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'm going to start by washing my chicken. You can use any meat or any protein for choice. And after washing or cutting it and washing it, I'm going to transfer it into my bowl, of which I'll add my favorite spices to it. And with the spices, I mean, choose any spice of your choice, but I'll be listing mine in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. After adding my spices to it and some chopped onion, pepper as well, I went ahead to put it on to marinate for about 45 minutes. And then after that, I went ahead to cook it. I mean, just like a normal old thing. Don't forget to add your salt as well. And so I went ahead to season it, but don't forget to also add in some water. Okay. The water is going to do a little magic for us because we need a lot of stock from this meat. And so I will do that and then put on fire to cook for some few minutes. When that is done, I'll take off my meat and then I'll go ahead and fry it in my heated oil. Now, after frying this meat, okay, the chicken or whatever meat that you are using, I'll set it aside and then I'll go ahead and add a lot of onion. I mean, lots of onion. If you're not a fan of onion, then I have a little secret for you. You can chop it very small, okay? But you need a lot of onion for this recipe. And so after it is fried and turned it's golden brown, I'll set it aside and add in some chopped tomatoes. Just one full chopped tomatoes is enough for. Don't forget to add in some bay leaf and some spice of your choice. If you like, it's optional. You can just take that off. And then I went in with my washed rice and stir everything all up together. Allow it to fry for some few minutes. And then I went ahead to add in my water. Now I'm going to allow this to cook. And yes, the water I added was the stock. That's why I said we needed a stock for something. So I added in the stock, and when the stock wasn't enough, if you have a lot of stock, you can use it to cook it entirely. But if you don't, then add in some water as well. And please taste this before you add in salt if you have to add it, okay? Because the stock had enough salt and all of that, the seasoning in there. And so you may want to try it, taste it and see if it's okay before you add your salt to it. After adding my salt, I gave it a very good stir and then I'm going to allow it to boil using my, allow it to boil and then come to this, and this is how our rice look. It looks so beautiful and it was quick. You can start to add your aluminium foil or parchment paper just to make it a little softer and also yes, so that's what we have for the rice. I will now go ahead and I'll reintroduce my onion to it because it adds so much flavor to it. And I also add in my chicken. Now tell me you wouldn't love this rice. Tell me this rice is not far better than like fried rice. I mean, like your plain rice. This is absolutely a delightful meal to take. You can pair this with beef sauce, or you can pair this with some pepper sauce or just anything, any pepper, shito or anything. Look at how beautiful this turned out. It's so amazing. I totally enjoy it. And I'm going to try this again and again because Charlie, white rice, my bread. White rice with stew, my bread. And so please let me know if you are going to try this recipe, of which I definitely want you to try it. And oh, the flavor was amazing. And so guys, have a great, wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. Until we meet in my next video, it's bye.